Claryce, come on, say. 1, 2, 3, go. What? What is this? Apple. Say. Say, come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on. You say. Like that. Say the beginning sound first and then say the object. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, louder please. Apple. Baby. Good. Huh? What's that? Car. The. Egg. What's this? Break again. I call mommy later. Look at. Come on. I call clown later, yeah? Come on. Once again. Apple. Car. This is car. Once again. Claryce. Oh, this we will call mommy later.
No.
Put down the eraser on the table. Put here. Come on. Focus.
Apple.
B.
Baby.
D.
Dog.
Egg.
Fan.
Good. Come on. Good. This one. What is stopping in English? Hat. Once again. Good. Hat. Eel. Look at the picture. Eel. Jeep. Key. L.
Lion.
Got it. Thank you, Claryce.